everyone. Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we are here to talk about new upcoming mobile phone.
Can you please let me know the name of that phone? Please.
I will let you know the new phone that is Xiaomi Redmi Note 5.
Wow. That's very interesting. Because I already wanted to buy a new phone from Xiaomi.
I am sure that you will surely buy this phone.
Okay then. Let's see what this new phone have.
Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is not announced yet. But as per rumors, this phone will have front glass, aluminium body, hybrid dual SIM, Nano-SIM, dual standby, 5.7 inches screen, 1080 by 2160 pixels, 18:9 ratio, 424p density. Android 7.1.2, Nougat. GPU will be Adreno 509. It will be Octa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex-A53. This phone will have 64 GB with 4 GB RAM or 32 GB with 3 GB RAM. Primary camera will be dual, 12MP plus 5MP. The secondary camera is 8MP, 1080p. Fingerprint sensor as rear mounted. This mobile will have fast battery charging. The battery will be non-removable LiPo with 4000 mAh battery capacity. Colors will be grey, gold, black. The price of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 will be about €150 or $185 only.
So, do you like this?
Yeah. That's very impressive.
Now, would you like this video?
I will surely like this video and love to subscribe to your channel and exit it to share with my friends too.